If you were to tell people that there was a non-tech stock that was up 2,192% since this century began versus the S&P up 559%, and you had to say it was a utility, I'd say it's just not true, but you did it.
We did it, and I think what's exciting is we continue to be bullish on utilities generally. So what's different today, and those statistics you recall went across multiple market cycles.
Right.
What's different today is we think the utility sector is in a super cycle. So we expect that the earnings growth from utilities generally will outpace the growth rates that it's posted historically. And we're certainly seeing that show up at Sempra today. We have a portfolio of new capital opportunities all across the energy value chain, as you described in your opening, with a real focus on transmission and distribution. So with higher expected growth, a strong dividend, and what I think will be a constructive interest rate backdrop, we think Sempra shareholders are set up for some good value creation in the future.
Okay, well, this is important because I want to get people to buy stocks. But I'm afraid that people often buy the wrong stocks, Jeff. They buy the stocks that have a super high beta, that don't have any utility, a dividend, that are so dicey that they could lose everything. But Sempra's been pretty consistent the whole time. And it's because you're in the two best growth areas, Texas and California.
That's right. You know, I would make a comment here that you're making, which is today, California is the #1 economy in the United States. Texas is the #2 economy. We have a leadership position in both marketplaces. And one of the reasons we think we can continue to outgrow our sector is we've got opportunities both on the utility side in the markets you described, but we also have a whole suite of opportunities in our energy infrastructure business, including LNG. When you put those two platforms together, it sets us up for what I think is strong growth in the future.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.